Good afternoon, guys. This is me, Jaime Rios. Today we're going to talk about how to do the 5-bolt pattern layout. And this exercise right here, this video will help you how to work out exercise 6 and maybe help you out the next homework. So our main goal is to find out the placement of each of these holes on the 5-bolt pattern. Let's say you're given a metal block that's 4 inches across, 4 inches down, and you can right in the middle, you can place a circle that has a 3-inch diameter. Your goal is to start from right here at this corner, found how much you need to go from the right and down to find the placement of hole 1. Same thing, working around the circle, how much you need to go up here and down to find the placement of hole 2, hole 3, hole 4, and hole 5. And once we get done with this, we're going to have all the placements, all the measurements for each of our holes. So let's start with the first one, hole number 1, which would be right here. This is my block, and right in the center is my circle. Remember I said before, this is a 4x4 block. Inside, it's going to be a circle. So if I want to find the placement of hole number 1, if I notice this right here, hole number 1 lies exactly right at the halfway mark. So starting from right here, I must just go 2 inches. Now, once I got the 2 inches, I must figure out how much I need to go down. So to find a downward motion, or find a downward measurement, right, I must figure out how much space am I given right here. So remember, I have a 4-inch block, and right in the middle is a 3-inch circle. So I'm going to do that, subtract that. 4 minus 3. This is from the block, this is from the circle. That gives me 1 inch of clearance. Meaning if I add this and this together, that gives me 1 inch. If I add this and this together, that must give me 1 inch. So if these two add them together give me 1 inch, and my circle is placed exactly right in the middle, in the center, what I'm going to do is take that inch right here and divide it by 2. Of course, 1 inch divided by 2 gives me a 1/2 inch. So that meaning there's a 1/2 inch clearance right here and a 1/2 inch clearance right here. Also, there's a 1/2 inch clearance right there and a 1/2 inch clearance right there. So to find the placement of a hole number 1, you must go to it exactly 2 inches and down a 1/2 inch. And that gives you the placement of hole number 1. That's concluded the first video. I'm going to start working on hole number 2 in the next video. Thank you.